Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel an automatic payment on PayPal in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, if you experiencing if you subscribe on a specific application or software and you wanted to cancel the automatic deduction on your account on PayPal, this video is for you. Okay, so the first thing we need to go guys to do is go to our PayPal account, and just have to click this this icon guys. Okay, click that one to go to settings, and at this top guys you will see here a lot of options here, but you need to do guys is go to payments. Okay, and we can see here the two options. We have online purchases and also the automatic payments. So what we're gonna do guys is we need to go to our automatic payments. Okay, just have to click that one, and it will show up here guys. You know you know the application or software that you are subscribing. And if you see one of here guys, you just have to click that one, and you just have to manage it guys if you wanted to stop it, for the automatic payment. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on PayPal. Thank you.